think I'm live. I assume I'm live. Mayhaps.
You're probably live. You're probably live on like someone else's channel. You probably like messed it up so bad that you're streaming on like.
Yeah, you're right. I just
quizzes.
accidentally copied like the wrong stream key, or like I typed in the stream key myself, but I got it just wrong enough.
Bro is streaming on Quebble's channel right now.
Yeah, I got it just wrong enough. How do I hear myself? Gross.
Many such cases.
Jump scare, dude.
Go up and down stairs so fast.
I think I'm live. I think I'm live. Hello, people. Mayhaps. Hello. Hi. Hello. My stream is set to low latency mode. I hope that Twitch is telling the truth, or I hope that YouTube actually. I don't know why I said Twitch. I know why I said Twitch. I was typing in the URL to get to shared chat, since somebody can't do it apparently.
Yep, that's true.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Where is... I don't... Dude, stop giving me all the damn pop-ups, man. I just want to get to this page where I can say stream together. You will not get access to my microphone.
What?
I will not let you pass go. You will not click $200. I sent you an invite to the stream together, by the way.
What?
Here.
I got it, twin.
Let's go, Twinithy. Thank
Can you share your screen?
I'm doing that right now, brother. I'm killing him.
You aren't.
I'm
you
killing
literally
him.
are not sharing your screen right now.
No, I'm working on it.
Yeah, I'm saying you aren't currently.
Yeah, brother. Okay, can you see?
Maybe. Yeah.
Hello, AD Ant.
Thanks.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, that's... Alright, we're back, I think. Sorry, OBS crashed. Pop out chat. Give me this. Thank you. Up. YouTube chat. This way I can see chat and interact with chat. Sorry, this will be a learning process over the next couple of streams. I'm just trying to get this situated so that I can stream on Linux now, because I'm so tired of Windows being a thing.
Yeah. Brutal.
Okay, I think I should be good. It does. Let me see. I'm gonna refresh the page. Does it look like I'm still streaming on YouTube? Please. Yes. Okay. I am still streaming on YouTube. Am I streaming on YouTube or Twitch again? And do I need to re-enable shared chat, or does it just automatically?
You think you do need to re-enable shared chat?
Sick. I'm new to Linux. A little bit. I've been using Linux. Every day that I haven't been streaming, I've been using Linux for the last like month or so, and I've finally gotten to the point where I'm like, I'm gonna swap over to just streaming on Linux. Mainly because last time I streamed, there was like shit that was just breaking on Windows. So, okay, so long as this doesn't crash, I think I'm good to go. Okay.
There's shared chat. Let's go.
All right. Welcome back, everybody.
Welcome back to Northern Lion Plays.
So I guess I'll show this
Enter the
off because I think this is
Gungeon,
cool.
Episode 3 billion. Sorry.
I want to show this off because this is cool. So, the plugin that I used for the music display down here, specifically, don't back channel. So it used to use a plugin through a music player called Foobar, and it was a very specific plugin. Foobar doesn't work on Linux, so I had to find the next best thing, which is this music player called Fuyin, which is supposed to be like a recreation of Foobar. It doesn't support plugins in the same way as Foobar, so I also had to go in and write my own... let me open this up in... Not that console. Do not touch that console. That terminal is what's keeping OBS alive right now, and if I do anything to it, stream gone. Let me see. Code.
That would be kind of funny.
Here we go.
I'm not gonna lie.
So right here. Why is there a black bar above my head? Is there? Oh, bastard, there is. Okay, we're good. We're good. Yeah,
for sure.
So the I actually had to go in and write a Python program to query the currently playing song so that it works the same way as the old plugin did with Foobar. Which this is really cool. This was really fun to learn about because I had to learn about Impris, which is a media communication layer that like all of Linux uses, which means that I don't actually need to be using Fuyin. I can actually use any music player that I feel like, which is really fucking cool. Why did I switch to Linux? I switched to Linux because Windows has been pissing me off. I use Windows 11 on. By the way, I'm using Novara. I've been using Windows 11 on my work computer, and I fucking hate it. I absolutely fucking hate it. And I know like there's like the recency bias where like whenever you swap to something new, or like the opposite of like new bias or whatever, you kind of just like hate things a little bit, and you're like, oh, this is uncomfortable. This isn't what I'm used to. So I gave it a try on my work laptop. Despise it. I think it's terrible. Plus, they're using AI with a bunch of shit. It's just, it sucks. It's so bad. And I just hate it. So, my computer actually can't upgrade to Windows 11. Or if it can, I don't want to go through the steps to do it. So, I'm on Linux now. And I've been using it for... I think I've had this installed for about 2 or 3 months. Finally, I made the switch. The program that I just showed off to pull the information, which I'm actually running right here, which is very fun, was like the last step that I needed to actually get my stream stuff over. And I've actually been using it a lot as my basically daily driver, because whenever we play like Deadlock or anything like that, I will actually just like I will boot out of Windows into Linux because the game runs so much better on Linux. So the only game... Huh?
It's just so funny that it runs better.
Yeah, well, it's because there's less shit going on. Like, Windows has so much bloatware. They put AI in MS Paint. They also they forced you to log into MS Paint for a little bit. I don't know if you still have to.
AI in MS Paint is like genuinely insane.
Yeah. Oh, I guess a couple of the other things that have been like stopping me from swapping over to Linux from Windows is I'm going to talk about this, and all of my friends have heard me say this to them about like 8 times apparently. FL Studio, what is my DAW of choice that I just do a lot of fun music stuff in, and so switching to Linux was like annoying for this because it didn't work. However, as you can see, once this loads, I actually have FL Studio working on Linux, which means I can do all my music creation stuff on here, which is sick. I don't know if that came through, but who knows. And the other one is Photoshop. Got that one running as well. I won't open it, but you know, it's cool. So I'm very, very happy with that. Very, very, very happy. I switched. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Seeing 10 gigabytes of RAM on idle made you confused if you had a virus, if it's just normal Windows stuff. Like whenever you open up the search menu here in Windows 11, this is a web browser, which is terrible. Absolutely terrible. But yeah. As for development, it won't like make any difference to me. I've been using this as a daily driver. It's mainly just streaming. So, excuse me. Anyways, a couple of the things that have happened on the actual game. Wait, hold up. Did you see that you get Godot and Blender folder icons when you install them? I did not. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna go... Oh, I also... one of the things that I've done a lot on Windows is I've added like custom commands, like for like ls and touch, to do like the Linux commands, you know. And I actually also added one which is the other way around, which is let me pull up the thing. Hold on. Sorry. Let me find this. It's on my Mount Drive D. Godot. Dante's 9. Yeah. Here. So one of the things that I got was I really like knowing some of the Windows commands, like doing start dot will open up the current folder in like File Explorer. That's not a thing on Linux, at least by default. So I got a custom command that does that. So it actually opens this up in Dolphin, which is fucking sick. No, I don't see folder icons though. It's a little weird. That's okay though. U to U, Axel. Gross.
Is that Axel?
It is Axel.
It's win.
So a couple of things that I did do in the game that I haven't shown off, even to JW.
What?
Yeah. So.
What the hell?
Yeah. I guess let me pull up my Obsidian. So I had mentioned these were the goals for the UI rewrite and like the big UI update. And I have been kind of chipping away on that a little bit. And one of these that I just got mostly working is where is the game's closed. Duh. If I go in here, so I will move between the buttons as normal, and I can go through the options menu. But I'm actually using my keyboard to navigate the options menu right now, and not controller. So I added keyboard arrow support for like menus and stuff, because that's just like a thing that I feel like we should have. Enter the Gungeon metronome win. I don't know what that is, buddy. What was the you said something last stream that I was like, I have no fucking clue what this item is. You said like enter the Gungeon Pandora's box, but I don't. What is that? Because I looked it up. I can't find it. Enter the Gungeon wiki. It's I searched it up on Google first, but it took me only to the fandom wiki, so I was like, I'm just gonna go there by myself. Grants a 2% damage bonus for each enemy killed. This maxes out at 150% weapon damage. Bonus is reset if that. Okay, what do we got? Oh yeah, we have this. Kind of. We have it. We have the relic called Demon Shard, which is it resets per room. We honestly probably could make it persistent, JW.
Maybe.
Because we could change it to be if you take damage it resets and it's persistent between rooms.
Yeah, maybe that could be good.
Yeah. You forgot what it was called last time. Lament Configurum. Lament Configurum. Upon use, it spawns 3 to 5 enemies. If opened, it will spawn a gun or item. Must be used a certain number of times before it's opened. Each time it spawns a gun or item, the number of uses it takes to open it increases by 1.
I think I got killed by that thing. It's kind of fun.
It's a 25% chance to damage that. Oh, dude, that's fucking sick. That's actually so cool. Oh, and it increases the curse. Oh, only when held. Items against spawn will increase curse by 1 when picked up. That's sick. There's also let's see. I think. Isn't there also a thing called like coolness in the game, I think?
Yeah, there is.
The only item I know that does that is cigarettes, which damages you and increases your coolness number. What does it do? Default is 0. It reduces the cooldown of active items. Lowers the chance for chests to have a fuse. Extra pickups at the end of rooms. And okay, that's cool. Yeah,
it's quite cool.
Yeah. Okay. I guess sorry. The other thing that I did was I started hooking up the Forge menu to use the new UI stuff. So
Mhm. JWI has a question. What's the question, twin?
Yeah, what's the
You can
question,
interrupt Biddy, it's
20p?
okay.
This is true. Yeah, he can interrupt Biddy, brother.
Mhm.
It's a chat message. He's literally not able to.
Do you know of Yonkagor? Of what? Is that like a slur? Should I not say that?
Yeah, you just said a slur. Oh shit, there's a
It's
crash?
crazy.
Ooh. Really?
No, I don't know what that is though. Big shotgun is objectively the funniest weapon. I don't know. The JK-47 is also pretty funny.
The flaccid AK.
Yeah, but if you get both that one and the regular AK, it's like insane because they like combine. You get 2 AKs.
2 acts.
Yeah.
They're an indie cat furry singer. Oh, there you go, JW.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
I don't know, man. That sounds like right up your alley. I won't lie to you. So what do I need to do for the thing? I might rewrite the menu for the forge at some point, so I'm not too worried about that being like perfect. But I did set this up in such a way. I think this doesn't actually do the controller selection outline, which is a little annoying, but it's fine. Let's do a slight change of UI stuff because I don't really want to spend all day making this UI system because it's gonna be it's the like boring, I guess.
Yeah.
That feels like kind of the right word. So what I'm gonna do, because JW said I need to add this, which makes it sound like I'm a blocker for him, is I'm gonna add probably some sort of loot drop system so that
I don't care about that.
he doesn't care about that. Things
I mean,
like
it would be
like
nice
money,
to have, but it's not stopping me from doing anything.
money stuff, like for shops.
Yes.
Okay.
That would be like cool to have, but like that. I mean, basically just need a shop. That's it. Like,
Yeah.
it's not
Well,
really stopping
still.
me from doing anything. But
Well, he
yes,
said
we should.
in the server, he was like, "Oh, we can't have this in the shop because Biddy needs to add money to enemies." I'm like, "Okay, well,
Yeah, I just
we're adding
wanted
money to enemies."
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. So I'm thinking I would. Do we want? Actually, let me think about this for a moment. Because I imagine we don't want to define how much money everything drops manually because that sounds like it'd be annoying
Probably
as fuck.
not.
Instead, what if we had enemies have like not categories, like different classes of enemies? You got like a regular enemy, and then like if there's like a strong enemy, that would be like an elite enemy or something. And then we would choose how much money is dropped from those based on what class they have.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe do it based off of how many points they're worth in like the spawn system.
Maybe. I'm still not sure about the spawn or the point system. Because we could also make those class based rather than having like.
I don't think so because some enemies like could be. Like, I don't think any of the enemies are going to be like perfectly equivalent in terms of how difficult they are.
They don't need to be. I feel like we could have kind of generalized categories for them. I'm not sure though. I'm just thinking about ways to like limit the amount of like annoying work we have to do for some of this stuff, or like at least like think about what it's going to be like in the future. You could have fun with the money amounts changing, like seal combo based. I think we should. I do like that like style meter that you had mentioned before, JW, or I guess like the what is it called, an ultra kill? Is it called style?
Maybe, yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Like that. I like that a lot. Holy shit, it's Lucky.
You check Discord. Is that Lucky?
Hello, Lucky.
Twin, you're in the wrong chat.
Who is?
Lucky.
What do you mean? What? He's in the right chat. Oh, I had to switch my chat to
Fish-loving
live
furry
chat, but I
cat
see.
musician. Okay, very
Boy,
nice.
kiss your body pillow, weapon win. All right, buddy. So, I mean, do we want to go forward with these like points being a thing still?
I mean, I think it's. I don't know.
I mean,
I'm
it's
not
fine
gonna
if we want to. I just
say.
thought, I don't like. Is that? Does it sound fine? Like, does this sound like it makes more sense to you than doing like the categories of like small enemies, big enemies?
Yeah,
You know?
I like that better than the categories, but I'm not
Okay.
sure exactly.
That's okay. We can move forward with that then, and then I just need to think about how. Let me think about this. Wait, so when is the playtest update dropping? Are you not understanding my previous stream title? My previous stream title? Isn't it like UI changes? I thought.
No, I don't think it was, but I don't know, maybe.
Let me take a look. Live. Yeah, it was big UI changes. Playtest update time was on the 19th. I'm fairly certain we put out an update since the 19th.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there should be an update if you haven't tried it on Steam.
I teleported here so I can be on the worst stream on the worst platform. All right, Twin. Sure.
Also, when did I hit 40k? I don't know. I don't really check
This guy
that.
literally, yeah, this guy does not touch his YouTube account. His YouTube, like,
kind of true-ish. But
his YouTube studio has not been opened in like 5 years.
That's not true. I have to open it every stream. Because that's how I get to the live dashboard. No. Let's see.
We might have to kill you.
According to this, it looks like I got 40k in like. Can I see like a cumulative view of this? I don't know. It looks like it was in the last couple of weeks. Oh, if not like a week or two ago. Who is 40k and why did I hit them? Have you ever talked to a Warhammer 40k player? I think that you would hit them too.
That's crazy.
Okay, let me think for a moment. So I want to do this. I need these guys to know, I guess, the enemy class, because they're all going to have their own thing, right? Enemy base. Do these still have like evil shit on them? They kind of do. Kinda. It's fine. This class is actually like not even 100 lines long. I'm very happy about that. Let's make it more lines though. What are these called? These are called enemy value. I'll also call this enemy value. I think that's fine. I'm just trying to think of how I want to move this, like, from this meta class into the enemy value class, or into the field here. Let's see, these are being spawned via the enemy spawner, which might have the enemy meta on it. Enemy spawner. Here's enemy spawn. An enemy. Is this the right?
Biddy, when are you going to write a plugin that I can use to easily duplicate tile sets and
Easily duplicate tile sets? What the fuck? Is
or
this
not
a
tile
thing that?
sets, like terrains and things like that?
Oh, is this something that you want or need?
I mean, no, it's not that big of a deal, but like.
Okay,
then
you
I can
just you
go
said it
in
as if
and
this was something
copy
that I had
it.
already agreed to,
No,
which I was not
no,
aware
I'm
of.
just saying that, like.
I see. What,
I want.
yeah, I see what's happening.
Because it's like I want to make a variant of this tile that's because I made a brown version that looks kind of nice, but I also want to have the gray one.
Mm-hmm.
So now I have to make a new one here, and then.
Also, thanks,
where did
Lucky.
it go?
I appreciate it.
They killed it.
Yeah. You know, I can probably throw something together. I could try that today if you want.
I mean, you don't have to. There's probably more important things to be doing, but
Maybe. But does it sound fun? Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? So wait, what would it do exactly? I'm gonna write this down.
I mean, literally just like duplicating this entire thing, like the tile source.
Like this tiles.
So like duplicate this and then just like change the texture, then have that.
Oh,
And
I
then
see.
it could be nice if there was some way to copy paste it across different tile sets. So I could be like, hey, I like the red tiles from this tile set, and then I want to put them in this tile set because I'm using them here for some reason.
Okay, I see. Duplicate existing tile source with new texture and duplicate cross out possibly. Maybe that's what I work on today after this enemy thing. Sounds like it could be fun. Sounds like it'd be useful as well.
Sounds like it could be fun.
Yeah, I'm looking at you open up text files right now and edit manual values, and I'm like, I don't like that.
Yeah.
So this can have enemy meta, which I believe is a class just called enemy meta. It is. Where is this being created? Room base, spawners, register spawner, enemy spawn points. I see spawn enemy is right here. Actually gonna I'm gonna pass this in instead.
I think that should work, maybe. Yay, look, it did work. I don't know if it copied the or it.
Why is this? Whoa. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
What in the fucking world is this? What is this?
Is what?
Enemy meta and enemy meta, enemy meta, get. Oh, this is a. Ah, I know. I see what's happening. Yeah. Okay, this can actually just return the enemy meta out instead. Like that, I think. Should be fine. And then inside of here, you will be actually an enemy meta. Okay, let's find out if that crashes. That'd be kind of cool if it didn't.
That would be kind of cool if it didn't, but...
Oh, Doug chair streaming, but the chair stream ended. Let's fucking go. I was about to lose 10% of my viewership.
Like bug.
Bug?
Am I right?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
It's like a different consonant.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, cool. These guys are still spawning, which is sick. Okay. So now, I need you, enemy spawn, to know about this dude. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, you're right. You are my only Twitch viewer. I have my docs are in opposite mode to what I was using before. So Twitch chat was on the left. I've swapped it now. So I don't know why I was like, oh dude, this is my YouTube stream. It's not. Let's see. So this knows about the scene. When you spawn the enemy, I can do spawned enemy dot value is equal to enemy meta dot value. But that should only be if spawned enemy is an enemy base object. Because otherwise, you shouldn't know about that. When is the Dante's 9X Pokemon collab happening? That's like, it's called the development streams. But it's not like, you know, well, I'm not, this isn't a Pokemon. It's a, just like a cat thing with accidental similarities to anything else.
For sure.
Let me go over here. So does this still work? Does this crash anywhere? It crashed. That's kind of sick. Okay, because I didn't assign this. That's fine enough. Mostly, somewhat.
For sure.
For sure, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
The Dante's 9X Skylanders collab. Who made Skylanders? Was that?
I don't know.
It wasn't Ubisoft, right? I don't know why the fuck I would.
It definitely was not.
That'd be okay. Now I want to. Now please be Ubisoft somehow.
No, it's not. I can
Just
100%
somehow.
guarantee it's not.
Dude, holy shit! You won't believe it. It was Activision. It wasn't Ubisoft. But
Is it Activision? What the
apparently,
hell?
yeah. Well, Activision actually used to do like a lot of
Yeah.
shit back in the day.
Mm-hmm. Back in my day.
Developed
I
by
remember.
Toys for Bob and published by Activision. Okay. Oh, you still exist, actually. What the fuck? Toys for
That's
Bob is
kinda
still making
crazy.
games? Toys for
Thank you,
Bob
Bob.
worked on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. The modern one? What?
What the hell are you?
Oh my god, wait. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Toys for Bob actually developed such an essential game to my fucking childhood. Which is let me actually put my check this out. They developed Madagascar for the fucking PlayStation 2. This game
You're like so weird. You
This
might be like
game
the weirdest
is
person to ever
fire.
exist.
This game is fire as
Might
fuck.
be, well,
I actually worked on like
genuinely.
some kind of sick games. What is Pandemonium? Why do I feel like I know this game? I don't know what the fuck that game is. Never mind. I was like, I feel like I know what it was. I looked at the box art. I was like, I have no clue what the hell you are. That's kind of sick. They also worked on the Spyro Reignited trilogy and the Crash trilogy. Sick. Okay. Back to this though. Are we crashing? I hope not. Hey, no crash. Cool. So now let's do this. I think we have an enemy loot, or what do we call it? Is it called loot spawner? Nope, that's room loot spawner. Drop handler. There you are. Spawn drops. That's cool. Spawn. And sorry, what does this do exactly? Why does this exist?
I don't know.
Grand eye range, min small mana, max small mana, min large mana, max large mana. Oh, are these defined per enemy? I think they are. Crash like the Bandicoot? Yeah.
That's crazy.
I don't know what else. I mean, I guess like there is just the word crash, like a car.
Well, you said, is this going to crash? Like the game.
Oh shit! Okay, yeah, you're so right. Lol, my fault. I forget what I say.
Yeah, it's okay. Me too. Okay, Biddy, we have a slightly nicer looking train station. It's still not great, but
Whoa,
it's a little more
Looks
train
sick.
station-y.
JW Smart? No, definitely not.
It does not look very train station-y. I need to figure out what to do about the background.
It's gotta have like
some other
big ass
things.
bells and shit.
Yeah, I want to have like a big clock and like some other stuff. It's hard. Maybe
Just,
we like
oh fuck. I was like, you
force
can
the
just
camera to be
reference.
a little higher.
I was like, you can reference Times Square from our fucking New York trip, but in my mind you were there, but I don't know, you weren't.
Crazy.
Let's see. I'll also add
I feel like it would look nice if we somehow forced the camera to be slightly higher in here.
Yeah, you can
Because
do
like
that.
right now it's like, I mean, we could include some underground stuff, like maybe there's like a little sewer or something where there's like a creepy guy hiding. That could also work.
Yeah, we can do that. I'll also add that to my list of things that I need to do at some point.
Oh.
Is this where my to-do list is? My to-do list, hee. This looks right.
Why did this break?
Camera. What broke and where?
Hello.
What did you do?
Oh wait, oh no, because I accidentally hit the run current scene button instead of running it from the.
Wait, what was the what? What broke because you did that?
It's when I tried starting the game.
Why?
I
How
don't
are
know.
you starting the game?
It's just the tutorial end area.
It's just the tutorial end area. Okay, well that's a problem because it shouldn't crash the game. I'll have to look at that. I'll probably call this like camera bias zones. I think that would make sense. So we kind of point the camera towards things whenever the player's in a certain area.
Yeah, that could also be good for like rooms with like big
Big.
key elements or something like.
Yeah. Dude, we're gonna add a room where it zooms out and it's a fixed camera because the room is like one size that can fit in the entire camera view.
True, that's a great idea.
It's actually not like a terrible idea, but good luck with that one on controller. Let's see. Spawn money. So how do we want to map this, do you think? I mean, I guess... I guess I'll just spawn money based on how much... Oh, Lord. I remember this thing being... What does this function do? Oh, God. I guess I will toss this in here and make a function called, like... from enemy value, I guess, for easy enough time. Value is an int.
I made it rain in here.
And then what do I want this to do? What's the largest value enemy we have right now? So that's 1, that's 2, that's 4, that's 3, 1 and 2. The slime is 2, but the ground imp is 1. That's crazy. Okay, so not switch, match. That feels wrong. Should you stop watching? Because on the bright side, biddy, but on the downside, biddy. Honestly,
So real.
you might be cooking with half of that, and it's not the first one.
That's crazy.
I don't know if there's bright side to biddy. There's like a side to biddy.
Oh, also the train station is called Purgatory, by the way.
Oh shit, dude. Does it have 2 R's?
Yeah,
Nice.
of course it does.
Why do we have different... Never mind. Never mind. Give me a second. I need to like think about this.
He's thinking.
What are these values by default? Let's see. Small silver is 1. Small gold is 5.
Small silver? Is that a
What?
deadlock reference?
Have you
Is
seen
it a
that
deadlock street brawl drink ray reference?
shrink ray? You can actually get it during a regular game. Did you know that if silver is ulting and then gets hexed by Sinclair, instead of turning into a rabbit, she becomes just a really small werewolf?
That's really funny.
Yeah.
Does
You're
she
gonna go,
still have
good
all
luck,
of her
idiot.
abilities?
Well, she's hexed, so no. But
Oh,
once it
okay.
ends, she goes back to normal size and then can use her abilities. Also, I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like the order right now is small silver, then small gold, then large silver, then large gold. I feel like it would be small silver, small gold, large gold.
Yeah, that makes sense to me too. I don't know why it's like that.
So
I didn't
much-
make it, so.
You did.
No,
Yes.
I didn't.
Yes,
I
you did.
definitely didn't. No, I didn't. No.
Yep.
I was making stuff up at this point.
I can tell you did because of this block of code right here.
Nah. Nah, it didn't happen.
Why does... Oh, because there's only
Sorry.
one animation for small silver, and the other ones don't have an animation. Man. Really?
Why is this?
I need this. Why are you upset? Oh, because I see. So... can I do...
Can't wait to start money laundering. Yeah, for sure. I don't know what you're talking about, but
What is the best way for me to do this? I want to map certain values to certain ranges of, like, drops, and I don't know the best way to do that. Like, I guess I could...
why is it not?
I'll just... Why is what not?
It's not spawning in the right decorative or ambient particles. I wanted to set it to the rain, but it's not.
Because the floor type by default is flesh.
Oh, right. It's based on that, not. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, not which level the thing is from. I
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. But you can when you load into the hub, at least for now, you could just set the floor type to
Yeah.
rain, and then preferably do it from the place that you're changing to the hub, like
Oh. The start menu.
yeah. Oh, actually, fuck. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's doing
Like
change
here.
to level. Well, that's getting overwritten, I think, right? Like, maybe it isn't. Is it not? I guess it's not. Wait, that's terrifying.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I think you can add it there where you're doing load level.
Sure.
You can do level manager dot set floor. And then enum dot level floor dot. Yeah, there you go.
Then is it going to automatically set it when it
Well,
when
is
it
there
actually
a-
start the game?
Oh wait, did you define a hub thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why would I not?
I don't know. I thought you were just using the rain one.
No. I thought. Oh, I'm using the particles.
Yeah.
Although, like a copied version of them because I wanted to change some stuff, but okay, that didn't quite work as intended. But
What do you mean it didn't work? As
there's rain
intended?
now. I wanted it to rain outside, not inside.
Oh, yeah, I see. Good luck with that. You can just move the Z index of the entire level up, I think.
The entire level?
I believe so, yeah.
Why wouldn't I just move this back?
I mean, I guess you could if you want.
I feel like that would make more sense. I just don't know what level I have to put it at for that to work. Well, I know one of these actually has theirs changed, I think.
Sorry,
Reset.
is there gonna be an unfinished like weapon in the game? Maybe. I want to say I did mention something a long time ago that may have gotten written down was like, fuck, what was it? Like an NPC who would give you something as a quest, and then you would have to make it all the way back to them on the next floor with some sort of criteria met, and then they would give you a reward. Which could be something like they just replace all your cards with, you know, some shitty weapon that you have to use. And then if you make it to them after defeating the next floor's boss, they give you like all your cards back and some bonus thing.
Maybe. I definitely think that'd have to be worth it, because like that's not a very fun thing to do. Hello, Scorpion Dev. How's the funny cat game going? It's going very well, actually.
What was I doing in here? Why did I restart the game? What was
so it is working, but now those water droplets spawning in here, which we don't want. I can probably just like kill those.
Probably.
So I'm pretty sure there's a specific water droplet spawner.
Yeah, I think those are in the...
Yeah, rain droplet spawner.
Yeah.
If I wanted to be fancy, I could even make some like windows and make like a little rain droplet particle for the windows.
Whoa, imagine that. Bubble shader.
Bubble shader? Why would I... What?
I don't know. Because bubble shader's cool. Might as well.
Yeah. So here's this. I probably want a different background than the blue background, but it's a good start. And then I want to replace these with like actual windows. And this background tile with something other than the concrete, but recolored. And then I was thinking it could be cool with your like door level idea is how we have these little stairs here that go up. We could make... I was looking at some references. We could have some like little bridges that go to like the other side of the platform where there's like other stuff. But I would have to like make it clear that there's like two sides, so that I could have to like make two tiles maps and make them like parallax kind of.
Yeah, I think it'd be something cool to explore at some point.
That would be cool to do if it was possible, but because right now it is kind of flat, and I don't know how to fix that. That's one thing I'm bad at with tiles, is making it not super flat.
I really hate copy pasting so much code, man. But I can't really think of a much better way of doing this.
Let me find some more references.
Okay, so this should hopefully handle that, and then spawn money will have a function called from enemy value, which will take in the enemy value from the enemy. Yes? No. Almost.
Where does the train go? That's what you use to like start the level, and then also it's like the fast travel.
Okay, there we go. Oh, oh, that's such an evil idea. I'm not going to do it. Why not switch cases instead of 17 billion LFs? Probably because this is all hopefully placeholder values that will be
Hopefully placeholder.
changed at some point. It's a couple of things. One being like, why is this upset? Sorry, values already overshadowed. Okay, good. Sure. Enemy value. So this code likely won't change much. But also when it does change, it's likely going to be a large enough change that would require, like not require, but would be nice to change like the rest of this class, because there's a lot of things in here. Like this should be probably like a money size enum, money type enum that's available outside of this class. So it's quick and dirty, I guess, mainly. Also, it could be nice using a switch statement to handle different like ranges. I actually don't know if we can in Godot. Let me actually take a look. Godot match statement. I don't know if you can define a range. You may be able to though. Range. Match. Because I know that we can do C match. Okay, thanks. We have patterns. Yeah, great. Can you tell me what the patterns are? You're just gonna tell me about the pattern. Literal that. Dictionary, multiple patterns. It doesn't look like we have. Yeah, like it'd be nice to be able to define a pattern of like a range, but I don't know. Also, some of these patterns are crazy. I don't 100% understand what's going on here. First got var x and var y when y equals x. What the fuck is going on here? Pattern guard is an optional condition that follows. Yeah, great. Only one branch can be executed. The rest are not checked if you want to use the same pattern. What? That's insane. I don't know what the hell's going on there, but that looks cool. Okay, and then let's see if this does something cool for us. I should also turn back on the come on, let me into, oh yeah, here we go. I should also turn back on the money display, which might require me to restart the game. It does. That's okay. Also, for anyone who feels like giving feedback, what's the volume like on the stream right now? Is it loud, quiet, good, bad, terrible?
It's not bad. It's just there's this guy, Belitted guy. He's talking.
I see. Yeah, I'll fix that next patch.
Okay. Hey, what?
You didn't drop money. I can't help but notice that you didn't. What the fuck? Drop in there. Spawn mana, spawn money. Why did you not spawn money?
No money. Right.
Oh, you spawned money. Only some of you do, though. That's weird. Oh, no, I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. Because I'm creating it. I bet there's orphan nodes right now because I'm not adding it to the tree. Is that correct? Well, I guess there's always going to be orphan nodes. That's just how our level generation works. Oh, nice. Okay. I guess you should work basically the same way as this, except with money drop. Wah. Type shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Definitely.
Oh, I guess you haven't seen this, but I did change the that thing so it like dims and then re-brightens whenever it's able to be hit.
Okay, that's cool.
Oh, crash. Nice. Non-existent function, apply force in base character body to meet money drop. Really? Where are we getting this from then? Ah, I see. Kind of. What? Whatever. I don't care nearly enough to figure that one out. Cool. Okay. Money is dropping now, which means that the shop can be added. Hooray.
Hooray.
Hooray! Which means that Nacho can live again.
Let's go.
I should also probably remove Nacho from the custom skins.
Yeah, I don't know why you like added him and then was like, I'm gonna push this up to live.
Well, I added him a while back whenever we first added custom skins, so he's been in there for a
I
while.
don't know why people like didn't find it.
I don't know. He's since that first patch he's been.
I thought
in there,
that was
so.
reason because
Nope.
people were complaining about it not working. It's funny.
Nope. He's been there for a long time. Look at him not moving.
That's
Why the
quite
fuck is he
silly.
not moving?
I don't know, because you probably just put the sprite in there and nothing else.
Definitely not. I just showed the fucking scene that's been there. Or it's been sitting there like that. Let's find out.
What are we buying?
What are you buying? Imagine if this is like somehow broken right now. Oh, you know, it probably is. Hold on. Not you. You. No, you should be playing. Why are you not playing? Wait, why aren't you playing? Oh, I know what happened. It's because I set him to not process mode. I said don't process. There we go. Now he's grooving. Great. Yeah, and you'll never know it, but he's actually floating back there. So don't tell anyone.
That's kind of crazy.
And then how do I add back in this and enable processing? Look at them go. I also need to make it so it doesn't do that stupid text warp down thing. Makes me upset.
Spaghetti. Am I right?
Hmm?
I said upsteady spaghetti.
Yeah, dude. That's hella right.
I usually am. Twin.
I don't know about that, but okay. I feel like doing the plugin thing, so I'm gonna do that. So let's see. Do I have a good tile set to test this with? I guess all of them would be good tile sets to test this with.
Yeah. Pretty
Like
much.
if I did Control Shift P, like I can have an option here, right? I think we have something. Yeah. Util editor new script, which will be called duplicate tile source. Yes. Ooh, I wonder if I can get the tile map editor. Hmm. Okay, seems like the answer is no. Next song. Give me something cool to listen to. Yeah. Hmm. That's slightly annoying, I guess. I don't think I can ask this for the current selected tile set. Actually see, do we have NERP? Alright, cool. There's nothing about selection in here. No. That's probably fine. Because I think that plugin is actually written in C++. I think that's in the source code, and I don't think they really expose anything for it, which is a little annoying. Let's see. Tile map is selected nodes sub-0, or I guess there a dot first by chance? That'd be like cool. Nah, that's okay. I might do some evil shit.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a first.
Yeah, yeah, never happens normally, so. Oh yeah, I'm doing evil shit.
Oh, dear.
But it's like, it's actually really cool evil shit.
Okay, that's good. I'm doing parallax stuff.
Whoa. Fuck, that bind is appended after the fact, right? I think. So it would be that mayhaps. What the hell?
Uh,
Well, now I'm confused, actually, I guess. I did the thing where I forgot I was on Linux, and then I got jump scared by my background. I was like, where's the slug cat?
Does
Yeah.
it not work on?
It does, I just haven't downloaded it.
Okay.
Because I was too busy, like, setting everything up. I should at some point, though.
Mm-hmm.
Big fan of having a slug cat.
Yeah.
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 You too, right? Like, you're a huge Rain World fan.
I love Rain World.
Yeah, like, you've played it so much, too.
I have. This is true. Can confirm.
Oh, I remember. This is some evil shit, right? You require me to do some evil shit. Yeah, you do. That's annoying, but whatever. Cool. Okay, that works. Perfect. I looked over for 1 second. Hold on, what does this say? Tempura bathtub stream, but instead of a bathtub, it's a commercial restaurant deep fryer. Okay. Okay.
You might
just-
be cooking that one.
Oh, dude, I get it. That's funny. I saw the tempura bathtub stream and I had to mentally prepare myself. I had to put up the shields. I had to get ready for the worst thing in the world to be sent my way. And it wasn't nearly as bad as it could have been. Can't help but notice that this didn't... Did it do the thing that I wanted it to? I actually don't know. I guess I'll open this up in Visual Studio Code and find out. Actually, what is this called? Where are you? Oh shit. Wait, JW.
Yeah.
Alright, check this out. This is actually, like, kinda sick.
I'm scared.
You shouldn't be. You should actually be, like, hella excited. Okay, so this is my tile set, right? Now let's say that I want to duplicate this fossil tile set 1 PNG, because that's like a unique one, right? So I can duplicate tile source, and it will pull up a list of the images that are in the tile set. I can click this one, and now I saw the thing move. It should be somewhere in here. Unless it fucked up the wrong one. It might have fucked up the wrong one. That'd be kind of funny. But let me close and reopen that. Oh, it looks like it duplicated this one, actually, which is wrong. But if I look in here, whenever I figure out the correct one, it, like, includes the data that should be included. I just have to figure out why it's doing the wrong one. Wait, what? Next. Oh, because I have the wrong signal.
Oh.
So is it that? Yes. Yeah. There we go. Okay, now that works. So let's say that we have this flesh floor auto tile. So you want to change this one to be a different one. So I can do duplicate tile source, choose flesh floor auto tile, and now there should be a new one in here. Right here? Question mark? Yeah, right here. And it duplicates the terrain stuff as well. So the peering bits and the everything. So you can click on a texture and it will duplicate it for you. Can you reorder these? Like, are these able to be reordered at all?
No clue, actually.
No clue. Okay. So a bathtub stream is the worst thing imaginable, but 6-7 is not. Yeah. 6-7 is like totally tubular, dude. That shit's epic.
True. 6-7.
6-7 is so epic. My favorite thing ever is playing Deadlock with my great friends, and then we get ganked by one of our teammates, and I get to tell him, yo, that gank was 6-7. And that's pretty fun. If you didn't know, there's a character in Deadlock named 7. Also, that's true, Axel. Bleep blorp type shit.
Yeah, Gleep Glorp.
No, bleep blorp.
Bleep Glorp.
Bleep blorp. Wow. I can't help but notice there are multiple called Flesh Floor Auto Tile.
Don't worry about it.
Is it because... Oh, because there's a name on the tile source. I see. Okay, hold on. Let me actually...
Yeah.
Let me use that instead. I didn't realize there was a name on this. Is it not just called name? What the hell? Oh, tile set source. Nope. What? Is it just called... Is it the resource name, or what the hell is it? Let's try doing this instead. Alright, let me make sure that there's not just like a name field. There isn't. Okay, yeah, there we go. So I can say source name is either source.resource name, or if not source name, then it will be source.texture.resource name. Actually, I don't think that the textures have a resource name either, usually. They don't, so it would be resource path.get file. Yeah, there we go. So if you take a look at this, this is actually kind of sick. So it shows what they all are. I can also make it so you can search it if you want, because there's a thing here which is this, I think. I lied. I don't know why it's... what the fuck does this do? Allows navigating pop-up menu with letter keys. What? God? Oh, I see. Yeah, that's interesting. That's quite cool.
Quite cool.
Okay. Is that what you wanted mainly?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, there's also
there's
the one about being able to select a different one, right?
You can select a different one.
Like to move it to a different tile source or a tile set?
That could be useful. Yeah, and then another small thing is making it that you can change the terrain. Because by default it'll have the same terrain set as the old one. And being able to assign it a new terrain set would be nice, so you don't have to redraw the entire terrain bits or whatever they're called. Bits and
Wait,
banter. You know the little blocks that you fill out?
Yeah, yeah.
Those it still has the blocks assigned to the old terrain. I wanted to be able to assign it to a new terrain.
Oh, I think I understand what you're saying. So if I were to look in here, like how we have terrain set 0, we have this shape. You want to be able to change this so it goes to terrain set 1.
No, the set doesn't matter. Or yeah, usually you want to change the terrain. The set, I think I have that separated based on like drop 3 platforms, but it doesn't really matter. I think it's just like organization.
Wait, so how does... Oh, I see. Okay, these terrains are... Okay. Yeah. What's Avogadro's number? Oh my god. No, you motherfucker. No, you're so gross. Is it... I don't remember the exponent, but that's funny. Is it? It's like 6.71, right? Times 10 to the 9, maybe? Avocado number.
Avocado number.
Let's see. Avogadro's number. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. That would have been funny if it was 6.71. Not even close. Wrong. It starts with a 6. Eat shit. Why the fuck would I know Avogadro's number, man? 6.7 would be funny.
Really funny.
That'd be so funny. I thought it was 6.7. I thought that you were coming in here like you just saw a TikTok that was like, holy shit, 6.7 is part of mathematics. It's even like fundamental because it's in Avogadro's number, but...
Yeah.
Okay, well, actually, here's a new question. The digits of pi. When does 6.7 show up for the first time in pi? This might
really
be...
good question, actually. This is a really important question.
6.7. It shows up... Okay, well, the site has weird spaces in it. I don't know. 6.7. It shows up within the first... Oh, God. How many numbers is this? Oh, my God. Wait. It's right at the end of 100 digits of pi. Wait, that's fucking sick. Within the first 100 digits of pi, we get 6.7. Avogadro's number is not a math fundamental. What is Avogadro's number again? It's like...
I don't know what it is either, so...
It's something about electricity, right? What is Avogadro's number? Oh, no, it's not about, like... I mean, no, but... It is a conversion constant or a ratio between an amount of substance and the number of particles it contains. Particles in question are any designate. Just tell me in regular terms what the fuck this means.
Oh yeah, I vaguely remember that being something in physics. Is that what it is?
1 mole of a substance.
Oh right, that's moles. I forgot about moles.
It's not a math fundamental.
Top 10 worst
it's
things.
Like it's about the like the fundamentals of the universe, which is math. Like math is just like describing things in the universe in a quantifiable fashion.
All right, nerdlitic.
Oh shit, Wilson. Remind me later to show you some really cool stuff I found in Dota last night.
The big 25.
Yeah, I went Autismo last night with Nacidos, and it doesn't affect it, is all I'll say.
I've been on Biddy Vision this whole time. That's really awkward.
Lol.
Hi, Wilson. You can see my art now, twin.
Hi, Wilson. How long is this entire time? Like, the entire stream?
Like, no, not the entire stream, but like, too much of it, you know?
Too much of it? What do you mean too much of it?
Ain't nobody want to see your screen,
What?
twin.
That's not true. That's probably true, actually. Never mind.
It's true to it, actually.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm thinking about things. I'm out here thinking about things.
Any such cases.
I have to move this code at some point, and I think it's gonna be right now. Right? Oh, you know what I can do? I can make a function called func get tile set, which will return a tile set, the correct capitalization, return tile set, and then any of these that have nothing will explicit return null. Holy shit. Rocket jump, waltz, and oh my god, it's missing all of the text. What the fuck? Is it like that in my... Oh no, this is one of the ones that's fucked up, yeah. I'm looking over here. Yeah, it's just missing all the text for the fucking song. That's fun. Lol. Tile set. So if there's no tile set for the current selected thing, we just return. We say do nothing. And then I would like to potentially... I want to reuse this pop-up menu. Yeah, I want to reuse this pop-up menu. So I'm going to do that. Pop-up, tile set, menu. Alright, this still works, right? Yay! Hooray. Sick. So now let's say that I do this again. Ah, shit. Ah, beans. I think I can do this. I can have... What would you call the thing that you were talking about where you had like the thing and you wanted to move it to a different terrain? Like if you did like a Control-Shift-P to pull up a command, what would you want that command to be?
Maybe like transfer.
Sure. I'll call it transfer tile set terrain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you mean it's almost 8:30 already?
Gross. It's like almost Counter-Strike time, right?
Yeah, it's almost Counter-Strike time.
It's almost deadlock.
Right, Moaz? Up on Counter-Strike.
Wow, wow. Have we ever played Counter-Strike with Moaz?
I don't know.
It feels like it'd be terrible. Like, ping-wise.
Okay, I'm working on setting up the train station to actually be part of the parallax, so that way it looks like a lot larger and nicer and
Whoa.
fancier.
Massive
So
train station.
Pillars in the background.
Yeah.
Which look nice. And then if we go up here, there's the tops of the pillars up there. I think I want to make them a little shorter, but
Wait, what am I doing now? Yeah, get tile set. Oh no, you need to extend that with the correct class, which is editor script tile set editor script. Can you do multiple annotations on the class actually? I guess I don't need to. You can just be abstract. You're chill, right? Yeah.
get rid of this stupid wavy shader on these guys. Don't need that. Don't need my pillars waving around.
What? Why not?
Because I said so.
Oh. Okay. What's the difference between a terrain set and a terrain again?
Terrain set is just like a group of terrains. I just be experimenting and stuff.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you think you'll ever want to move them between terrain sets, or do you think if you have something in a terrain set, you just want to move it to a different terrain within the same set?
That's probably. I don't know. I'm thinking.
He's thinking.
I'm thinking.
It's yeah. Think about it. I'll be right back really quickly. Okay. Shit. Let me add a source really quickly because I don't actually have GW Discord. Let's find this window. Where the fuck is it? It's this one. Yeah, there you go. Let's put you on screen. I've got to crop everything so that it's just the relevant parts of your IMAX screen.
Thank you.
Some semblance of normalcy on JW's monitor. Fit to screen. And then this goes behind most things. Then I'll add a text source, which is JW screen share. And it's just gonna say Tempura Cat live reaction. Hey, can you not change the text size? I guess I just have to shrink it down. I feel like I always forget how OBS works whenever I go to do anything with it. Center horizontally, and then put this bitch up top. And give it an outline. Oh shit, that's a gradient for some reason. That's not where I wanted that to be. What the fuck? Why are you a gradient all of a sudden? Don't do that.
Somebody is struggling right now.
I am, you're so right. What the hell? Wait, can I not give it like a custom outline size? How the fuck does this work? Whatever. I'm just gonna leave people with this, I think. Good luck, everybody.
It's crazy.
Can I move it up the screen? Oh, there we go. Alright, good luck. I'll be right back real quick. Think about the question I asked, which is, do you think you're gonna have terrains move between sets or just between the same set, different terrains, BRB?
Okay. Guys, what the heck is he talking about? I don't know what he's talking about. I was just yapping. But that's okay. That's his job. I think he needs to explain it to you in 6-7 terms. Yeah, I think you're right. You're right about that one. Is he back? Maybe not. Maybe. He's back. Wow.
I'm back. Hello, people.
Where'd he go?
Alright, what happened while I was gone? Miss Gunther? I don't know who the fuck Gunther is, unless you're talking about the penguin from Adventure Time. Thank you for for your explanation videos. You just started and it's a big help to understand the engine more. I'm glad it helps. Glad it helps. I'm happy that you are learning the engine, because that's really what matters. Also, Boy Kisser PNG, did something happen while I was gone? Gunther from Enter the Gungeon? Who the fuck is Gunther from Enter the Gungeon? JW, no. Okay. ETG Gunther.
Oh, he's the shopkeeper, isn't he?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
I'm going insane.
Mm-hmm.
Going insane.
Gunther is a gun that appears in Enter the Gungeon. It is alive, talks, and grows stronger with each room cleared. Ah.
Oh, I haven't gotten that one.
I have not seen this motherfucker. I've played Enter the Gungeon way less than I should have. I have issues where I don't play games a consistent amount. Except from Eugenics, I've been fucking going crazy on that game. What can I do here? Actually, I need to find out. Did you figure out an answer for the question I asked you, by the way?
Oh, what did you ask?
Terrain
yeah,
sets.
the question. Yeah, terrain sets.
Do you think it'll be within the same terrain set, or?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
That should be fine.
Wait a minute. Hold up. My eyes are closed. I'm rotating matrices. I'm entering the code right now. I'm messing with the numbers. The bits and bytes have been rearranged. I understand what I'm doing. I'm doing some crazy shit right now.
The banter has been rearranged.
Yeah, the bits and the banter have been rearranged. Get trains set count. So this will probably be, I mean, this will be 2 for this one for sure. And then I would also like, or I in set count. So what are these 2 terrains? Why do we have 2 different terrains?
What?
Why do we have 2 different terrain sets? Sorry.
I don't know.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yep.
Actually, wait a minute. Am I goated? Am I about to be absolutely goated? Probably not. But like, it'd be kind of cool. Fuck, that's actually annoying. I need like one more piece of data.
Awkward.
Well, actually,
It's a sign. I accidentally clicked on Steam. They want me to play Counter-Strike.
I could do some evil shit.
Yeah, you always can. That's always an option.
I might do it. You know what? I might do some evil shit.
That's scary.
You should probably be, yeah, actually.
Look, now we got some little trains in the background. I need to work on them. I just kind of copy pasted the regular train, move some stuff around, but looks nice.
Whoa, that's sick.
Just add some stuff to look at, you know?
Yeah.
Or then when you go up, you can like see kind of above them, which is I love parallax so much. It's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's like here, everything's in line. Then you jump up here, and then now you're above them.
Yeah, it's sick.
You see like the tracks.
Oh shit, dude, there's trains back there. What the fuck?
Yeah,
Sick.
that's what I said.
Yeah, I didn't hear what you said. Or well, I
Wow,
heard it.
That's crazy.
I
I was
wasn't
not
listening.
listening.
Don't you dare.
I also am probably talking at like 2 decibels because I'm half asleep.
Mm-hmm. Your volume is fine. I just wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, yeah.
It's fine though.
6, 7.
What the fuck are you printing out? What the hell is that? What? Why did it print that out? Where are you getting that from? Transfer tile. Red brick, flesh floor background, magma brick background, magma brick background 2. Yeah, I'll be damned. There is a magma brick background 2 in there. That's kind of crazy.
It's because they're different. One of them, I believe, is like the bricks are fully filled in. The other one, the bricks are only on the edges.
Yeah.
Because I was messing around with different styles.
Wait. Oh, it's submenu node item. That's an item that will act as a submenu of the parent node. So when you click this, submenu will be shown. Ah. Oh. Okay. Well. I'm doing it. This is not evil shit, actually. This is somehow like less evil shit than it was before.
Okay, what do we put on the next layer?
You know, Enter the Gungeon is now available on mobile for $10, and it has a Cult of the Lamb collab as well.
I did know that it was on mobile.
So I'm gonna.
I think it's been on mobile for a while now.
Probably has. I'm trying to think of the nicest way to say this. There's no fucking way I personally am playing that game on mobile when I own it both on Steam and Nintendo Switch, and I have a Steam Deck.
Nintendo Switch is crazy for Gungeon.
Well, that's because it was before the Steam Deck was a thing, and I was traveling a decent bit, so I got it on the Switch because I didn't have a laptop. Anyways, but I'm sure that mobile would be really good for some people. It's just not for me because I have way too many ways to play that game.
I feel like I would play on mobile is Slay the Spire.
Yeah, Slay the Spire mobile's pretty decent. I do have that one on mobile.
There's actually this one guy who always comes in at work, and I've seen him playing Slay the Spire a couple times.
Is that the one that asked you about your shirt, or is that someone different?
No, it's someone different.
Okay.
But I actually talked to him about it because I saw that he played it, so I was like, "Yo, do you like deck builders?" And he was like, "Yeah."
There's no way you
said that. Yeah, I did.
Did you advertise to him?
I mentioned it. Yeah. I think I was gonna bring a card, but I keep forgetting to. But yeah, he said he's played Gungeon and Isaac as well. So.
Fire.
Pretty sick. Pretty sick, 7.
Dude.
That's a good one though, wasn't it?
No,
I thought it was a good one.
you would. And that's the problem. Wow. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right, twin.
Oh. Oh, wait, no. I know. You. Wait, this actually goes fucking crazy. Oh my god, JW, look at this.
Mm-hmm.
So I can have the tile map selected. I do transfer tile set terrain. And then it's like, okay, which one do you want to transfer the terrains for? So I'll select this one. And then it gives me a list of the terrains with the like actual names inside of them.
Wait. What is this doing? Sorry.
What do you mean? What is it doing?
What is the function doing? Like the entire command or whatever?
So this is gonna be the one to move the collision from one terrain layer to another. Because that's what you said, right? That's what you wanted.
Yeah, okay. So you're saying take the current like layout of the boxes.
This one would be what?
Okay,
yeah. Well, this would probably...
Okay, sorry, I just was confused what it was doing at first.
Let me actually think about this now, actually, because my thoughts, now that you've said that, because I originally was going to be like, what collision from what layer do you want to move to the next layer? So this would be like the collision that you want it to currently has. But let me think about that, actually. Also, is there like a string of something somewhere where I can be like, yo dog, here's the name of this dialogue? Any chance? Oh, cool. I don't know why I didn't check that first. Lol.
Yeah, I don't know either. So.
Oh wait, okay. Wait, that might not be right. Sorry, hairball vomit attack when... Sorry?
The gong.
Hairball. Hairball. Hmm. That's not like a bad idea. Because that's a very cat thing. I'm just trying to think of like what the gameplay would look like. Like what would... How do we make hairball have gameplay relevancy? Also, with Steam pushing PC gaming...
It's an item that makes it that whenever you pick up an item, you have a chance to like cough out an extra pickup. I don't know.
I was also thinking I was like an item that or like a relic that is when you get damaged you spit out a hairball that is like an attack that bounces around for a bit.
That's a good idea actually. That is kind of a cool idea.
See, this says something about the title. The title doesn't work because it says if it's a native window, title does nothing, which is a little weird, but okay, fair enough. Oh no, title styles set in theme will have no effect. Weird. But it doesn't look like the title was even showing up at all. Yeah. Pop-up dot title? Keep title visible is true, mayhaps?
Mayhap.
No, that doesn't look right. Yeah. Huh. Yeah, I guess my best option is to just... I mean, it doesn't matter. I don't need to make this like perfect. It's just for internal use, so who fucking cares? Me. It's me. I care.
Me. It's me.
I'm gonna do some evil shit. So the ID, I can't just use J, or like I can't use the terrain ID because that's not guaranteed. However, I can do something like this, I think. Yeah. So that whenever this is a thing, I can do func D. Just print out the ID real quick. Potentially. That might be like really gross. Transfer tiles to terrain. Oh. Hmm? You didn't print anything, actually. Oh. Wait. Oh, I don't need to do gross things at all. Wait, this actually like solves many things. Man, I wanted to do some gross things. Fuck.
I'm trying to rotate this sprite, but it's rotating at like 0.2 pixels per moving my mouse across the screen.
Are you trying? What about like left right movements?
Yes, I'm.
Those are up downs. I don't know. I think it's
want to spin it around, but
yeah, I think it's based on where your cursor is relative to the thing whenever you start the rotation. I don't know. Just use the fucking thing up at the top, dog. I mean, you're gonna be rotating by like set increments anyways. Whatever.
Yeah, but like then I have to.
Whatever, man. That's fine. Yeah, you got it, dog. I believe in you. I shouldn't, but I do.
Yeah, no, you shouldn't. You should not.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy. Holy shit, wait, that actually goes crazy. Wait, this is so fucking cool. Oh, dude, that actually works. What the fuck? Cool. So I'll make a function which is transfer source terrain, which will be source ID, which is an int. I guess tile set, which is a tile set. Source ID is an int.
It's like
terrain set,
like
int, and terrain ID, which is also an int. Holy. That's so many things. So we'll bubble this down into what? Exactly. What is a rival? Like what?
What?
What? What?
Yeah.
Transfer source terrain. Tile set source ID. ID. I think that's right. Or well, I guess you don't need the tile set anymore, do you? You just need the source. Okay. Ish. Yeah. Yeah. Whatever. Source is tile set get source via the source ID. And then now that we're here, I want to I'm trying to think of how to make this as idiot-proof as possible.
That's not happening.
Yeah, it's a very big ask. Because I know you're going to do something to be like, Minnie, this broke, can you revert it? And then I'm going to have to fucking help you do a git revert, and then you're going to cry.
Yeah. Can confirm this will happen. Go ahead and place your polymarket bets. Something's up here. I hate working with high pixel counts. It's the worst.
Yeah, me too, man.
Yeah, alright, bro.
Wait, if they're all the same, why isn't it just like a texture that's only the size of like 2 columns? And then you can just like repeat it.
Because it's not how it works.
Well, they're all the same, aren't they?
I mean, mostly, yeah.
Well, then you could just like repeat it whenever it exports. I think
Yeah, but then I'd have to make another file with like more things, and that's like also a lot of work.
I think one of them is wider than the others. Unless... Oh, no, just kidding. Okay. It looked like it, I guess.
Yeah, it's fine.
We're gonna notice it.
No, they're not.
How can the
Actually.
idiot make it idiot-proof? That's a good question. I'm just gonna pray. And I think that might be a mistake, but we'll see.
Might be the only solution.
So does this source have anything about terrains at all, or like physics, or like collision? What the fuck does this thing even have?
That's cool.
Get tile ID? No. What in the fucking world do you have? You have textures, you have that. You can get tile data. Oh, Lord. Which will include things like terrain and terrain sets, which is where this can be changed, I hope. Wait, what? Huh? What the fuck does this even mean? Okay, we're gonna do something real quick. Source.get, I don't know, tile atlas grids, no. Count? Get tiles count? What in the fucking world?
Benethy is struggling.
I am a little bit, and that's okay, I guess. Ah, okay, here we go. So for I in that. This really sucks to do, but whatever. Source.get tile at boards, no. Get board, no. What? Get tile ID. Sure. I can't just like iterate over all of them. There's no way to iterate over all of these guys.
No iteration?
No iteration. Source get tile ID for this index, which is, I guess, tile ID. It's a vector 2i, which means I now need to do source dot get tile data at wireless cords. That tile ID 0. I don't know what the fuck this is gonna look like, so I'm just gonna print this out and hope that it shows me something cool. Ooh, okay, so it doesn't, because that doesn't get like stringified or anything. So what about data.terrain and terrain set? What you got going on? Because I thought that, can tiles not exist on multiple terrain sets?
I don't think so.
Okay, well that makes things easier for me then, I guess. 'Cause I thought that they had to, but I guess not.
What do you mean by that? I don't know what you're saying. But
Okay. I thought with you saying like I don't think so meant that you knew what I was talking about, but apparently not.
yeah, I was just like assuming, but I don't know.
It's okay. Don't worry about that.
Okay, I'm not worried about it.
So the tile at 10 minus 1 does not, or 10 1 doesn't have a terrain set. Is that correct? 10 1. Is that how you... Yeah. Yeah, that's actually correct as fuck. Wait, that's sick. So what I can do now is I can say... if data.terrain is not equal minus 1, but not or, and data.terrain is not equal, or terrain set doesn't equal minus 1. Yeah, then what I'll do is I will say data.terrain is equal to terrain ID, and the same thing for terrain set. I think. Is that all I need to do? There's like no way, right? Like, if I want to transfer these all to be flesh for background. Wait, no, you hella have... What? Oh. Huh? Guh? ID of the terrain from the terrain set that the tile uses. But it looks like the tile could have multiple terrain sets. Am I like smoking crack on this one? Like what if I do this?
I don't know what you're
Oh.
talking about, but maybe.
Oh no, it doesn't. It can't. Okay. It like overrides it.
Okay.
Well, actually, hold on. That's not entirely confirmed. Like if I were to do something like this, would this be okay, or would this like... No, that looks like that is valid. So I don't know. I don't... Oh my god. Okay, wait, that... Holy shit, it all clicked, I think.
It is.
Yeah. It all clicked.
Let's go.
Because I was like, oh, how could this belong to a terrain and then have, like... Because you can do this thing, is what I was talking about. Having different terrains.
Yeah, I still don't understand what the use of that is, but yes.
Well, I showed you one. With, if you have a grass set and then a water set, you can have a set of tiles that are in between the two. So,
yeah, I guess.
Yeah, when they're next to each other, or not a set, sorry, like you can have a terrain of water and a terrain of grass, and whenever they meet, these are like the tiles that would be used in between them.
Yeah.
So they can't belong to multiple sets, they can belong to multiple terrains, which is so fucking fine, that literally doesn't matter. Because you're not doing that. And if you ever do that, then I will know that you're doing it because you're going to ask me how it works, which means I will have time to adapt the code. Which is perfect. So... Can I not iterate over the peering bit? Oh, fuck. How the fuck are there 16? On the right side, right corner? Right corner.
Right corner.
Right corner. What the fuck does right corner mean? Wait, JW, what the fuck does right corner mean? Do you have any idea what this could ever mean?
I don't know. Why would you ask me? Like, I would know anything.
I don't know. I'm just like, I'm trying to understand because there's bottom right corner and there's top right corner, which is great because that makes sense. What in the fucking world is right corner?
Maybe it's just the right side. Or no, there is right side.
Yeah, that's what.
Very nice.
I'm having like a... It's match corners, but I'm imagining it's because of match corners, but I still don't know what the fuck a right corner could mean. Whatever, it doesn't matter enough to me, I guess. Whatever, dude. Right corner feels so weird. For I in... Oh no, I need it for J in 16.
For J in 6-7.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
7.
Whoa. Okay, are these going to be reasonable numbers? I hope so. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Thank you for giving me errors instead of just returning a -1. Okay. If I guess I could do that is valid terrain peering bit. J. I could do data.set peering bit J to the new terrain ID. I think that might actually just be it. So flesh floor auto tile currently exists on what layer? So flesh floor auto tile has a... Oh shit, why do you look like that now? What happened? Why are you orange and red? And which one are you supposed to be? You're hella supposed to be red. Okay. That's fine. Transfer tile set terrain. Flush for auto tile. Move that shit back to red brick. Uh-oh. Well, that's wrong. Set terrain peering bit. If it's a valid terrain peering bit. Okay. Well, that doesn't. What does this do? Whether it's okay. Sick. And data and data.get terrain peering bit. J does not equal -1. Yes. Any chance we could go back to like a functioning tile set? No? Okay, that's fine. I can just revert the whole ass file. Oh shit. Yo, JW, check this out.
Yeah.
So here's the auto tile is on the orange, the flesh floor background terrain.
Yep.
Transfer tile set terrain. Find the one that I want to transfer. I want to move that bitch to red brick. It's on red brick.
Whoa, that's sick.
Yeah, I want to transfer it to terrain set 1. It's on terrain set 1 now. Don't worry about that. Just don't do that.
Nice.
Why did it do that?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it's because I... hold on. I think it's because I changed this before setting the peering bit. Maybe. Nope. What did I copy? Oh, cool. Terrain set. There we go. Okay, now I got it. Check that out.
Okay.
So now it's if this is on terrain set 1, you can see that it has this auto tile, and now I can do transfer tile set terrain, and I can send it to, let's say, like magma brick, and it crashed.
Cool.
Why did it crash? It's not doing anything. Uh-oh. Well, good thing I'm on Linux, so I can find out why it crashed.
Fire.
Oh wait, maybe I can't. You know, that's weird. I actually don't see any error in the Linux logs. The program isn't closing. So I guess
Very
I'll force
interesting.
close that bitch. I just hope this doesn't somehow crash my OBS.
That would be kind of funny.
Where the fuck is Gamedev? Oh, here. Oh. No, dude. JW, can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can still hear you.
Okay.
Did it crash OBS?
I don't know. Oh shit. Wait. We're alive. We're alive.
Are we?
Yes, we're alive. Okay, holy shit, dude. My computer just froze. Like
Oh, just like entirely. Yeah, that's always fun.
that's so funny. I'm looking at chat. Yeah, am I on an NVIDIA GPU? Yes. You've had this issue with too many windows on a Vulkan renderer. Yep. It also freezes your PC for a solid 10 seconds when you end Godot's process like mine seems to. Yep. Exactly that happened. I ended the process and it just hung my computer and I could not do anything for 10 seconds. I did hear things and you could still hear me, but everything froze.
Very cool.
According to OBS, I still haven't dropped a single frame, so that's kind of sick.
That's kind of sick. We just got a bunch of frames of nothing happening, you know?
Yeah, but they didn't drop it, so that's pretty cool. What happened to the file? I'm curious. I guess it didn't save it. Let's try running that again. So if I already did transfer tile set terrain, that's gonna error out before anything because excuse me, I don't have a tile map selected. So transfer tile set terrain. I'm gonna try that one more time and we're gonna see what happens. It'd be kind of funny if it crashed again. I hope it doesn't, but it might. Terrains. Yep, I see that you're on terrain set 1 with that terrain set. If I were to save this and now do transfer tile set terrain to 0 flesh floor background, it doesn't look like it crashed. But did it update? Oh, it did update. Ah, dude, that's sick. It actually works like basically perfectly, JW. It's actually so sick.
Fair.
And so now, you'll have those plugins whenever I feel like pushing things up. Hey, what's going on with... Okay, never mind. You figured it out. Wait. Huh. That's not what that's supposed to look like. Silly. What the hell is that text? Enabling single window mode? I thought I had single window mode enabled. I don't. Let's turn that on. I don't use multiple windows in Godot anyways, so... How far have I actually reached in Enter the Gungeon and Isaac? Enter the Gungeon, I have not made the bullet to kill that kills the past, or whatever the hell that's called. I have not made that yet. But I have beaten the actual, like, dungeon a couple of times. I think I'm like 50 hours or so, maybe. It's been a long time. Also, thank you for the anecdotal "this is what happened to my Godot," because it provides me a lot more relief that it's not something wrong with the project and it's more just like driver issues. Which is fine. I'm so fine with it being driver issues. I would rather have driver issues than be on an AI-powered operating system, so... Like, vibe-coded operating system is terrible. Garbage. Disgusting, even. Okay, I think that is all that I wanted to do on this. Hooray. So you can duplicate terrains and you can move them to, or you can duplicate sources and then move them to a different terrain, which is quite cool. And I think that's what you wanted, right? Like all of that.
Yeah.
Hooray. And now I'm actually curious, if I were to go into the tile set and make that change, would it look the same as it would if you were to do that manually? Yeah, that looks basically the exact same. That's pretty cool. It's a mix of Godot itself and NVIDIA's crappy drivers. Any such cases, yeah. It's usually not just like one person's fault, but it's like edge cases and shit cases.
You when I'm playing Counter-Strike.
Oh, dude, I get it. Like, because like cases, like opening cases. That's cool.
Thank you.
Okay, I think that might be the end of what I wanted to work on tonight.
Okay.
I do want to do some UI stuff, but it's probably a little better for me to work on that off stream, just because it's a little boring, to be honest. But also, it's a whole lot of me sitting there closing my eyes and then thinking about the way the tree is going to be structured. Like,
Yeah.
I do think I like this. I guess I can show you the concept that I'm working off of if you want, though.
Yeah, sure.
Let me know whenever you're ready to look.
Yeah, I'm like kind of looking.
Okay. So the Forge UI is like, this is back on like the layer system. So the Forge UI is like the overall menu item thing, or like the layer. And so it has just this UI layer component attached to it. That's it. And then I wanted to lock control to whenever you only have this one open. Any of the controls out here are not accessible via controller, but are still accessible via mouse if they were out there. And then whenever you click on a card, so let's say you click on this one, this menu now becomes your focused group. And on controller, you can only interact with controls in here. But on mouse, you could technically click on any of these, which would just change what information's in here.
Okay.
Yeah. So that works. And all that I had to do for that is there's a group here, which is attached to the card menu. It's a UI group component. And then for the sticker menu, there's also a UI group component. Now for the actual objects inside of them, so like for example here, we have these, 6 cards. These are the actual items that can be focused. Same thing with the sticker menu, is there's these 2 cards, or these 2 like items, or whatever the fuck they're, elements. And the way that those are set up is they just have a focus item component on them. And that should be it, hopefully. And then everything else should, or most other things should be handled by just like the whole component system, which is cool. So
It's cool.
Yeah, and I do want to set it up in such a way that it will kind of automatically choose like directions. So for example, you shouldn't have to tell it, if these are our components, you shouldn't like items, you shouldn't have to tell it that pressing down when on this component will send you down to this one, or pressing down on this one will cause it to wrap around. It should just automatically know that.
Yeah.
Same thing here is like back and forth, and then pressing left, it should know that that doesn't do anything, so it should just like do nothing. Yeah, I need to figure that part out, which is kind of the part that I'm the least sure of. I'm also curious. Let's say that I'm on this this element, JW. If I press, obviously if I press left, it goes to this one. If I press right, it goes to this one. What if I press down here? Where does it go?
It should go to the bottom right one.
It should go to this one?
Okay.
So let's say that the actual UI had more cards up here. Would it be more intuitive whenever you press down for it to wrap around up here? Or do you think it should still go to this bottom one first?
100% should not do that.
Okay, so it should go to this bottom one, and if you press down here, it should wrap around.
Yes.
Okay. I guess the same thing here is, should this one also go to here? Like if you
Yes.
were on the, okay.
Yeah. It shouldn't wrap
okay.
unless you're on the bottom row.
Okay, it's a new question. Let's say we're on this card
Mhm.
and we press up. What should it do?
It should wrap around to the bottom.
It should wrap, like which bottom? Like it should wrap around to this one, or it
To
should
the very
wrap to...
bottom. The very, very bottom. Yeah, that one.
Okay, so both of these cards, I guess all three of these cards, when you press down, would take you to this card. And all three of these, when you press up, would also take you to this card.
Yes.
Okay. Just checking. I'm assuming then... Well, I don't know then. Let's say I'm on this card, and I press right. Where does it go now?
I think it should go up into the right.
I was really hoping you wouldn't say that. Like, to this one?
Yeah, like that would make the most logical
Okay,
sense.
I guess, yeah. Okay.
I know that's probably like a pain to make work. But like
I'm just like, yeah, I'm thinking about it. Because I'm also like, it's probably fine. I mean, I can probably just apply some weird logic shit. Okay, new question. This one. Press left. Where does it go?
I don't think it shouldn't let you move that way like that.
Oh, you shouldn't be able to wrap around horizontally?
No, I hate that.
You hate that.
Yes.
Does
You
it
should
currently
not be
stop
able
you
to
from
wrap
wrapping horizontally?
I'm almost certain it does.
Let me look. I'm
I do
curious.
not like that at all.
Because I thought it did wrap.
No, I don't think so.
Ruler. It does wrap horizontally.
Oh, I guess there it does. There it makes sense because it's like it's wide.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like if it's not, I don't know, man. I'm not good with you.
I mean, this one also wraps horizontally, which I think is fine. Because currently this, I'm pressing left only right now. and
Yeah.
it's-
I guess maybe that's fine. I don't know about that one. Like I don't have any concrete answer.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
just
I was just like,
whatever
if
works.
something I was thinking about, I want to hear what your intuitive
Yeah.
thoughts were on things. What a beautiful sound. I love UI that speeds up as you use it.
This is true.
It's like by far like the greatest thing in the world.
That's probably true.
Okay, sorry. I made two probably not useful editor scripts today. One to make numerous mesh instance 3Ds into one multi-mesh instance 3D, and the inverse of that. Those sound like hella useful. What do you mean? Those sound hella useful. I love editor scripts. I think they're so cool. They're like a plugin, but like not fully a plugin. I kind of wish that I could have them like in here or something. Like I wish they could be added to a menu somewhere instead of having this tell JW to do Control Shift P and then type in certain things. But
You have to do that.
you do. I don't even think you can find a shortcut to that.
That's crazy. I might die. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you can't even do a shortcut. I mean, not like you would use a shortcut, but
Yeah,
so I
the
get
only
croissant and fried noodle
shortcut I
covered in
use
hands.
is-
Liberty. Hello. Hi.
Hello, Timothy.
Yo, Liberty, check this out. I'm on Linux.
You're so
Crazy,
cool,
right?
twin.
I am. You're
That
right.
is so cool.
I am so cool. Windows 0 spawned at invalid position. Okay, dude. Sure. Enter the Gungeon stream when? Probably, like, never, but I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, I'll stream it at some point for you, twin.
What if we... Oh, shit, dude. What if we did an Enter the Gungeon co-op? Is there an online co-op, or is it just local?
There might be like modded, but I don't think there is in the base game now. Sadly.
I have
Sadly.
no fucking clue how Enter the Gungeon co-op works.
I don't either.
Let's find out.
It could be fun
Co-op.
if there's like a way to do it. There's probably a mod or something.
Oh wait, no, dude. We could just
What?
fucking Steam remote play that bitch.
That sounds. I guess that wouldn't be that bad.
Probably wouldn't be, no. Dungeon online co-op.
What is bro laughing about?
Yeah, I looked up because I was curious if anyone has mentioned this. And there's a post on Reddit from 10 years ago. How to play Enter the Gungeon online multiplayer. Requirements: an NVIDIA graphics card that supports the GeForce Experience software. Nope. Nope, wrong. Just use Steam Remote Play. That's so funny.
Did Steam Remote Play even exist back then, though?
I think so. Maybe. 2016. 10 years ago. That was 10 years ago.
Yeah, that was 10 years ago.
That's so disgusting. I don't like that. Oh no, it didn't. No, Steam
Remote
Remote Play was added
That was
in
like
2019.
Yeah, it is. Like, I thought that was a fairly recent thing.
It's local only mobile has co-op. Online co-op. Dog. I ain't playing Enter the Gungeon mobile, and I sure as hell am not streaming that. Do you play Enter the Gungeon on a controller or on keyboard mouse?
Keyboard mouse.
Okay.
I would. Like,
Yeah.
ew. I don't even mention controller to
Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think that's where I'm gonna call stream though.
Yeah, wait. I'm almost done trying to finish this drawing so I can see what it looks like.
It's off center.
No, it's not actually.
It's not. It's just the grid thing in the background makes it look like.
Oh, maybe it is off.
Oh no, it's off center as fuck. Actually. Lol. Lol.
Oh, it's mirrored, so it's gonna mess that up. Nice. I love mirroring when it doesn't actually mirror everything. It just mirrors some of it. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Dude, Blender's mirroring is actually like really good. You should start doing your pixel art in Blender.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna turn on studio mode. And I'm gonna make a scene really quickly. Discord, JW Discord screen. I'm gonna move this shit into a scene so that I can.
It's not terrible. It's kind of bad, but it could be worse.
Could have been drawn by Biddy.
This is true. It's gonna be really bad.
It'd be ugly as fuck.
Sorry, I'm mean. I'm so mean.
No, you're right though.
Just copy paste this.
Excuse me? Why is this not? Oh, because I have this turned off. So there's GW's Discord stream, and then I can turn that on and off. Hooray! Can I? How do you add a transition between scenes? Do you remember? You know? Transition override fade. Ah, there we go. Oh, nope, that's not correct.
This might look terrible, but you know, whatever. We gotta try it, I guess.
What does this do? Sorry, I'm gonna play around with transitions on OBS now. Good luck.
Wait.
Wait? What?
What?
Oh, that's kind of fun. Is it good? Not really. It's fun though. I really wish that OBS came with the that fuck ass 3D PowerPoint transition where it like zooms out and then it becomes like a 3D cube and then it spins to the side and then it zooms
that would
back
be
in.
amazing. Yes. That would be wonderful, but
What if I made my stream as ugly as possible?
That would be kind of funny.
Like, what if I made this transition between the two things? Like, what if I said, like, I want you to take, like, 1.5 seconds to transition between these two scenes, so it's, like, hella smooth. That'd be kind of funny, I
You
think.
could do that, I guess. It might look bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm like, what if I made it as ugly as possible?
Yes, Axel, you did win 5 from the jump catch game. It, like, automatically picks it up if you take too long or something. Just give it to a random person.
There we go, dude. That's fire. That's,
I was having too much fun over there.
I am, dude. Yo, check
Something
this out, check this
jolly.
out. Look at my fucking stream real quick.
Uh-huh. That's kind of beautiful. Oh, I forgot I was on Video Vision again. I'm sorry, chat.
Lol.
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
It's so ugly. A slime transition with you're so right. Hold on. We're at the point where I'm waiting for JW to finish whatever he's working on, so I'm having fun. I'm playing around with
Fill.
What?
I want to fill color. It's not filling. Oh, is it on this layer? On a different layer? Hello? I'm going insane.
Why does it? I assumed it would have been like a. I guess swipe is
Oh, I see.
probably the.
No, it still doesn't. Hello?
What is cut? Oh, cut's just like instant. Oh god.
Erase? Hello? Eraser? Why is my eraser not erasing?
You have a selection made? Control D that bitch.
Control D. That's.
Deselect.
I don't think that's what it is, but
Should be.
Sure. Well, it seems to work now.
Sorry guys. I'm sorry for everyone on the stream. I just realized that this doesn't look nearly as fun to you whenever I'm fucking around with these settings. I'll The hell are you looking at? I'm waiting for JW to finish whatever the fuck he's working on. And in the meantime, I'm fucking around with OBS's transition properties. I really like this. This is so fun, actually. This is so ugly.
I was having too much fun over there.
I am.
Stop having fun, Twin.
Nope. Can't make me.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're gonna take a look at my stream again. Just give it a second to get out of the way. Okay.
You need to add like the stone sliding noise.
That's what this person said in my chat. They were like, you should have it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's so. Now here comes JW stream.
Funny.
I really like that they're two different.
I wish there was a way to like slide it away though, not like the like.
Yeah, it is. I have it set to 2 different ones. So whenever it goes away, it slides it out of the way, and when it comes back, it like overwrites it halfway through the screen.
Oh.
It's so good.
Oh,
What
it's
the
wavy.
fuck did you do? That's crazy. That looks insane. Oh my god, evil train station. New stage unlocked.
A little bit.
Little bit.
A little bit lytic.
Oh shit, dude, that's me. But like small.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not gonna actually have it be like that. I'll probably just make it like a fucking... like a Luma wipe over, like 100 milliseconds or something. Yeah, sure. Maybe a little bit, like slightly slower.
It still needs a little bit of like detail work, but it's kind of cool. That also is like probably a little too bright in the back.
Oh, they can't see the
But, like,
quality of your stream.
There's like some cool layers. Like if you look,
Mhm.
it definitely looks more like depth, and like it does feel like a big train station rather than like
Yeah,
flat little area. Even though the colors are a little weird, but
yeah, they're a little off. They're very red compared to the foreground, which is very blue, which feels wrong. Also, it's raining inside the train station.
yes, I know. I didn't need to work on that.
Goober.
But it looks cool.
Yeah. Okay, can I go play, like, Dwarf
Yeah, you can go
Fortress
play
now?
Deadlock now, or Dwarf Fortress, or whatever you want to play. Good night, everybody. We're streaming again on Sunday. Bye.
That's not how that goes.
Wait, today's Thursday, right?
Today's Thursday, yeah, but that's not how that
Yeah,
goes. That's
I
not what
forgot
you
what
do.
day it was.
All right, thank you guys for hanging out. We're gonna go ahead and hop off now. We will be back on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. EST. Make sure to wishlist the game on Steam, or you can also play the playtest and then leave a negative review if you want. Don't leave a positive review. We don't deserve it. If you do leave a positive review, it has to be about the code because the art don't make him happy. He doesn't deserve to be happy. Not until he finishes the art. He's motivated by hate, so. But don't hate on my stuff because I'm motivated by, I don't know, I haven't figured it out yet. But anyways, thank you guys for hanging out. Good night. Or didn't even say good night. I just heard you end the stream. You clicked the end stream button and that was it.
6-7.
6-7.
I'm happy with how the train station's going. I like when I